Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to deposit your money in your Binance using GCash. Hi, so if you're wondering how to deposit money in Binance using GCash, then here's how to do it. So to add cash to Binance with GCash, you want to open your Binance app, go to your wallet, and then go to deposit, go to cash, and then select Philippine peso as your currency. Choose P2P trading and then set GCash as your payment method. Next, pick a verified seller from the list and then enter the amount you want to deposit. And add or tap buy or transfer. Binance will show you the seller's GCash details, then open your GCash app, send the exact amount, and then take note of the reference. Once paid, go back to Binance and then tap transferred and then notify seller. When the seller confirms receipt, the funds will now then appear in your Binance wallet instantly, ready for trading. Always trade with verified P2P sellers with high completion rates for safety. That's all on how to deposit money in Binance using GCash.